All right. Welcome to the back testing session on NAS100. I'm going to attempt okay, there we go. I think I got this thing working. I'm going to attempt to back test this entire month of work of trading. I lost today on NAS, so I just want to take the time to hone my strategy. Just really just getting it down packed so I can be consistent. Just really putting everything together. Nothing's changing. I'm not changing my strategy. I just want to take time and I want to back test this stuff. This hasn't really been a best month for me. I took another loss. I took 2 losses today, and I think really just me coming off of a winning streak, I kind of got away from the basics. So, all right, let's do it. Let's go select the date. Let's go to Monday the 3rd, and let's go to 9:30. Let's rock and roll, baby. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the 5-minute on NAS, and I'm gonna look at structure within the start of structure. Okay, so what do we got going on in NAS? What we got going on in NAS is we had NAS pretty much shoot down and shoot back up. So now we are actually in an uptrend. Okay, however, there's missing data with his broker. So I'm just going to draw this here so I don't confuse myself. Okay, so basically what happened was price, we went up, we came back down, we went up, right? Eventually made a pullback. So what does this look like on the Fibonacci? I take from the lowest point to the highest point. We see we drew back to the golden zone, started wicking, and we came back up. Okay. Price did not have enough momentum to finish to the 61.8. So at this time on the 5-minute, even though I trade on the 1 minute, if price comes down here, I would be willing to sell. Other than that, price can come all the way back here. Wait, I'm sorry, I drew the wrong one. From here, I'm tripping. So from here to here, that's the pullback, and that's the continuation. So what we want is we want from this low to this high. There we go. Boom. Okay. Move this over. Boom. Okay, so if price comes down here, I'm willing to sell. This lets me know this is a reversal at this point. This is the golden zone. So we already pulled back to the golden zone. If I need to see structure change, then we pretty much need to come here. So we got a low, pull back, go, pull back. I mean, you could say it's a pullback, but just go. So, boom. So I see right here. So once we get up here, we break. I want to see price come back to the zone and give some type of support, and then engulf, and then we'll buy. From this point, we will sell down here because it makes sense according to market structure. Okay. Boom, price came. As you can see, we rejected. Boom. Okay, exactly what I was looking for. We see price came above this zone. We given some nice resistance. So let me see if I get my engulfing candle. Boom, there we go. So at this point in time, I would feel comfortable getting in a trade. Take it on up. Let's see what happens. Boom, TP hit. Okay. So that's Monday. Um, I think what happened when I did trade Monday, I think I had last week, price had fell like 200 points. And I literally was in the trade and exit out too early. So I think I've been trying to take advantage of the breakout and these little moves at market open be was pretty much tripping me up. However, if I follow market structure and I just be patient, I can clearly see when price is reversing or not. So Monday is a win. Win, baby. All right, let's go to Tuesday. Tuesday at 9:30. Okay. All right, so we pretty much started going up, 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 up. As you can see, price is not returning whatsoever. We just keep going up. We ain't getting no pullbacks. Okay. So I'm going to assume with NAS, I'm going to assume when the market opens, we're going to play internal liquidity. Internal liquidity means this. Okay. When the market pulls back, right, and comes down here, we just grabbed liquidity internal. When market comes up right here, right, this is premium price. Anything outside of here is external liquidity. Internal liquidity, external liquidity. All right. So we see NAS is grabbing external liquidity. Like we're not even like here we came and boom, boom. We grabbed some internal liquidity here. Boom. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to I'm looking to buy. I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to buy from this point or I can buy from this point. I need to see a nice engulfing candle. Let me go to the 1 minute. Market open. Let's go. Boom, baby. All right. So I'm automatically going to assume price is grabbing internal liquidity. So I'm going to go long. External liquidity. I'm sorry. I'm going to go long. Set my 1 to 2. TP smashed on a Tuesday. All right, let's keep going. I think on this trade on this Tuesday, I think I didn't know the difference. I was struggling because I was waiting for this thing here to come back down because price never made a pullback, and I was very confused on major structure. I didn't really have to experience to see how NAS moves, but I'm realizing NAS it can really go for external liquidity and be manipulated and keep going, no pullback, or we can actually pull back and play the internal liquidity. Okay. It's just that this data structure clearly was just going up. So other than that, I'm going to assume NAS is doing internal liquidity. And basically what I mean by that is I assume NAS is coming back down here, then going up. But what NAS likes to do, and I'm talking low because I got sleeping children, babies upstairs. So what I'm assuming NAS does is this. Like we not even, dang it, we not even like this low is not even testing this low. We might even get like a sideways joint. This how NAS do. Boy, that was eating me up. Boy, I was losing like crazy. All right, so that's on a Tuesday. All right, let's go Wednesday. All right. What do we see? We see price shot down, and then we start to get a pullback. So let's pull out the old fib. I'm sorry, 5 minute. I don't like to do data market structure on the 1 minute. 5 minute and up. More cleaner, more clear. See how clear this is? Shot down, did a pullback. Shot down, did a pullback to the golden zone, came back, boom, went back up. So this is clearly a reversal. We're clearly buying. Okay. We did not have enough power to continue down. The sellers lost. The bulls beat the bears. Right? The bulls, the bears, the bulls. Yes, the Bulls. The Chicago Bulls and the Chicago Bears. Wow, I just realized that. But anyways, okay. So we're buying. Okay. So I'm looking to buy from here, or I'm looking to sell from here. However, I'm not selling NAS. When I see NAS going like this, bro, I ain't waiting. Nope, I learned my lesson. I'm gonna go ahead as soon as that candle get like that. Boom. Get my little 1 to 2 in. Damn. Okay. Okay. Something like this. If price would have came up, like this, bro. As soon as this next candle would have started coming down, I would have moved my stop loss to break even, number one. I probably would have. Hold on. I definitely would have looked to try to take some profit. Damn. Let's say this happened. Break even. All right. And let's say, bow. Let's say that happened. All right. Let's try it again. This time, it's around 45 points. This time, I'll just take a 1. If I get stomped out like that, just give me a 1, baby. Okay, that would have been a loss. All right. What is this? Wednesday? Okay, I'm gonna wait for price to get below here and I'll try to sell. If price does the little thing again, I won't buy until we break and retest here. No trade zone up in here. I already got 1 loss. All right, so here we got a rejection candle. We just straight going. We got our first green candle. All right. All right, I'm gonna try to sell this thing. Let's see what happens. If I lose, this is what you call a red day. Put my stop loss right here because we got a line of resistance there. Give me on 1 or 2. Well, hell, if we sell and we break past this point, shit. Hold on. Give me a 1 to 5, bro. I think I got stomped out. Yep, I got stomped out. And we sell. So this is a losing day. August 5th, we lost. All right, so we won, loss. All right, just like I thought, we sold, took a little time. Oh, that's because I was on a 5 minute. Oh no. Wait, go back. Damn it. No wonder I lost. It's not the freaking 1 minute. Go back, go back. We gotta do this over again. Go back. God dang it. Okay, now we're on the 1 minute. Jeez. Okay, so the plan was I'm buying above this line. I'm selling below this line. Okay. And wow. All right. Okay. Again, my mindset was when NAS does its thing like this, I'm not waiting on internal liquidity. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do this. As soon as I saw this, I'm getting into the trade. I knew something was strange with that. Let me go long. I knew something was strange. I'm like, man, something ain't right. Put it right here, select a little line of support, and then give my 1 to 2. Okay, never got stomped out. Let's go. Then I get stomped out. Oh man. But again, look at this candle here, bro. Price came, almost stumped me out, bro. We came here. Honestly, bro, the second we come here and we start pulling back, I'm closing this trade for a win. Keep it a beam with you. So I hate to do this. I feel like I'm cheating, but I'm not. Dub. Win, win, win. Thursday, let's go. Jump to the 5 minute. All right, we've been selling like crazy. Bring this over. Reason why I'm bringing this over is because we got nothing but empty space, right? Here's where we got like resistance and stuff. So I think price will bounce off this and go up. So far, we got a nice smooth trend line. Every time price hit this trend line, we bounce. All right. Pull out the old fib. Boom. Golden zone. Boom. Yeah, 100%. Once we hit this reversal 61, we definitely gonna bounce up. Okay. So the question is, how far is the retracement gonna be? So let me jump to the 1 minute. Wait. Go back to the 5 minute. So I'm expecting once we hit this line in this area, we buy. If we break through, I get a break and retest and we sell. You know what? We're not buying right here. If we get a break and retest, get in the golfing, we sell. Other than that, I'm looking for a price. Come up here, then we sell. I'm looking to sell from this area. Now we go to the 1 minute. All right. Got out in golfing. Let's go short. I probably would have got in right here. Honestly, I'm do that right there. Boom. And got stumped out. All right. So we just broke. I'm looking to retest this gap here, this line, trend line. So that's one loss already. Okay, here we go. We just engulfed that red here. This next candle, if we can come up here, I'll enter. Only if this next price action comes up, pushes right here, then I will enter. Give me a 40 pip stop loss. Give me a 1 to 2. Dang it. Nervous. TP smash. Let's go. Turned that loss into a winning day. So we won. I mean, we had one loss, but we came back, got 1 to 2. All right, win. Let's do Friday. I feel like I'm playing a freaking video game, bro. This is crazy. Let's go to 5. All right. So we pretty much had a sideways consolidation. And we've been selling sideways consolidation. We just came up. So now we're in an uptrend. Boom. Okay, boom. So we're getting a pullback here. Let me look at this on a 15-minute. Right. So on a 15-minute, a little clearer. Okay, we never got a pullback here. So I'm gonna go here to here on a big time frame. So I'm not selling until we get around here. Other than that, I'm looking to take buys. I'm looking to buy here, or I'm looking to buy here on the little fib. Bet. That's my analysis. Drop to the one. Bring this over. Let's go. All right, bet. Ooh, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Again, I don't really take, I automatically assume NAS is not playing internal liquidity. It's going for external. So when I see something like this, bro, what am I going to do? I'm going long, baby. 39, 40 pip stop loss. Let me take it to, I'm going to get a 2.2. Take it at premium price. Oh, I got stomped out. Shit. I most likely would have put my thing at a I most likely definitely would have did this. So if I got stomped out, I'm break even. All right, so I just broke even. No loss. All right, so at this point, NAS is not playing external liquidity. We're playing internal liquidity. The bigger time frames is buys. So I'm going to wait till price return back down here, and I'm going to look for a bullish engulfing. Let's go. Okay, I just got a bearish engulfing below. Oh, we're going to sell. No, remember, I'm not selling till down here. This is looking like a no trade day. Okay. Ooh, yeah, I'm about to sell. Boom. Ah, damn it. I was just about to sell off that bearish engulfing. You know, he's got a bullish engulfing. Crap. Ah, my goodness. Now we're right back to where we were. Okay. What the freak, bro? All right. Let me see. Boom. Okay. Price made an indication. We corrected. Okay. So if we come up here, I'm looking to buy above this line. If we come back down, I'm looking to sell for a continuation. First trade at break even, so no profits lost. I was just about to pull the trigger too if this candle would have got engulfed. All right, yeah, we about to sell. Nah, I stopped trading at 11:30. Man, this is tricky. This is tricky. Uh-oh. Oh, what the hell? Right at 11:30. The hell. All right, let's go ahead. Let's give it a try. Freak. I would have been hurt this day. Break even day. Was about to hit my TP. No, 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 no. I always do a 1 to 2. I always do a 1 to 2. I thought it was a 1 to 2, bro. This is a win. Nah, son. I always do my 1 to 2. As soon as this thing would have did that, and let's say if I was going here, I would have knew this would have been a 1 to 2. As soon as this next candle would have got down here, psh, closing the trade. So this is a win. Win, 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 win. All right, let's go. The 10th. Let's do the 10th, baby. Hold on, let me get something. Let me get something to drink. It's an adult beverage. Don't want to drink that on camera. All right, let me go to 5. Let me go to the 5 minute. All right. So I know it's kind of hard to see, got all this crap on here, but we literally just broke a trend line here. Boop. We just broke that joint. Yeah, we selling all day. This is sales, bro. Okay. This was around the highest point. This was like the last, this is a sideways pullback. So as long as price don't come back above there, then we would buy. But as long as we're below here, we're going to sell. I expect price to come back up and we're going to sell. Or price could come back down and we're definitely going to sell once we get past this point. Let's go. Boop, we selling. Again, I automatically assume, based off what I'm looking at, price is not going for internal liquidity. We're going for external liquidity. And low key, bro, I would, once I saw that wick, as soon as price would have got here, I would have brought. So I'm just going to enter here and put my stop loss like right here. And then get my 1 and 2. Oh, I got stumped out. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Stomp me out. The freak. So now I lost. I assume price is going for internal liquidity. So how do I play internal liquidity? I'm going for a sell, not a buy. Let me look at this on 30-minute real quick. Right. Okay. Oh no, I did it again. I was on 5 minute, not 1 minute. No wonder I lost. I'm sorry. Let's just start over. Damn it. Wait 1 second. 5 minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute now. All right. All right, bet. Let's go. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. How would I have played this, bro? We go back to the 5 minute. We got price. Sold, pull back, boom. All right. So what I did, draw my fib. We hit the golden zone. Yeah. As soon as I saw price doing that and we would have got down here, I would have entered like right here. All right. And then I would probably put my stop loss like right here. Damn, bro. Man, we just gonna skip this because it all depends on how fast that candle moving. I feel like that candle would have been moving way too damn fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and say I was stomped out on this. All right, so I'm automatically assume price is going for internal liquidity. I am selling, so I'm going to wait until price returns back up here, and I'm gonna look for an engulfing candle to the downside. Let's play internal liquidity. Okay. This is definitely a reversal because the fib goes from here to here. Okay. We buying. I would like for price to return here. Bounce off support. Can we get in a golfing? Can we get in a golfing? Can we get in a golfing? Are we going to golf it good? We're going to golf it better to that? Oh, damn. Man, price is playing with me. Okay. Okay. I need price to break through this strong and I'll sell. I already got one loss for the day. And now we back. All right, I'll tell you what. Man, should I sell this? Damn. I probably would have sold this. I clicked on that candle too fast. Once this got engulfed to the downside, again, up in this area, this is exactly, wow, that's crazy. This rectangle is exactly where I said I would be looking for sales. And this candle fits this damn rectangle perfect. And then we got engulfed. So, and playing my internal liquidity game, I would have drew my zone. Price tapped me in. As soon as I saw this leaving, boom, boom, profits. However, this would have been a losing day. I stopped trading at what? 11:30. Loss. Win. Monday. Loss. Let's go to Tuesday on the 11th. All right. This is already 40 minutes. This video is getting way too long. This will be my last one, bro. 5 minutes. No way. Don't tell me that it was on 5 minutes. Whatever. It's a loss, bro. Leave it alone. All right. So we brought up boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Let me check the fib on this. Yeah. Boom. The good old fib. The good old fib. Golden zone continuation. So, oh, yeah. Once we hit this, we definitely going to turn around and sell again. We sideways consolidation. However, once NAS goes. So, okay. We got this bearish momentum, and it's now being broken with this sideways consolidation. If we break down here, I will be looking for sales, but I have to be very, very, very careful. Why? Because price, this is the golden zone. So honestly, down here is where I'll start looking for sales. And if we break this little resistance area, I'm gonna start looking for buys. I might go ahead and jump in. Well then, damn it, 5 minute. Go back, that don't count. Now I'll go to the 1 minute. All right. Boom, there we go. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm talking about with NAS. Based off what I'm looking at, I'm assuming NAS is playing internal liquidity because this pullback here, this leg, was a perfect pullback for this up, for this indication correction, continuation. We just came back. It looks like we're going to hit a reversal. We're still in the golden zone. Once price comes down here, it's a reversal. However, I'm assuming internal liquidity. So I'm not going to get in right now because of how price has been moving. Okay, we're here. We got our first green candle. As soon as price, we could get a double bottom and shoot back up, man. The hell with it. If this next candle engulf this green candle, I'm getting in. I don't give a damn. If we engulf, I'm getting in. One to twosie. It's a doozy. You know what? It's crazy. Take profit hit. Win, 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 win. Lose, win. So let's replay today. And then that's it. Man, I tell you. Let's go to the 5 minute. All right. Sideways, drop, go up, drop. Indication. Sideways consolidate, correction, continuation. Okay, yeah, we definitely reverse into a sell. So this right here is, this is a whole indication because we're making a reversal in the Fib. So if price comes back here, I would be looking to sell. And I'm going to assume price is playing internal liquidity. So if price comes down here, I'm not going to buy. I'm going to wait because I don't know if price would come down more and then reverse and jump back. Oh, dang it. This is right now. 9:30 would have helped a lot. Okay. Hold on, bro. Tripping. This is the data right here. Boom. Here we go. All right. Okay. So price is on a trend line. Price is trending. And then we start to break it, break and retest. Get 5 minutes so it's more clear. All right, so price is trending. We broke, okay, and then we sold. I'll say this right here is the last low. You got price, correction, continuation, correction, continuation, correction, right? So we're above here, we're selling. If we're below here, we're above here, we're buying. Below here, we're selling. Yo, I think I started off this video doing this one. Anyways, let's look at market structure on this downtrend. For us to hit a reversal, we need to reverse on this structure. This structure says what? Sell, retrace, sell, retrace, sell. This is the lowest low. This is the highest, the lower high. We need price to be above this zone for this downtrend leg to reverse on an uptrend. As a whole, this structure is above this. So we got a change of character, but not a change of structure. Let's go. Boom. Oh, pretty. Now, once we get down here, I'm pretty much looking for a continuation. Okay. And we're on the 5 minute. Damn, bro. I keep doing it. So boom, boom, boom. Select bar. Boom. All right. We came up here. We are back below here for the sales. I'm going to assume price is taking internal liquidity. All right. So, I don't know. I probably would have made money today because I probably would have seen this get this layer of resistance. I probably would have saw this right here get engulfed and then just wait for price to come back in and tap my zone because I'm playing internal liquidity. I mean, we came close and did this. So honestly, bro, once I saw price start leaving a wick, I'll probably just leave my stop loss like right here. I wouldn't even utilize the whole zone. And then I'll go for like a 1 or 2. Definitely put my joints break even. TP hit. We made some money. See y'all tomorrow.